siya ang kauna-unahang Pinoy na sumabak sa Winter Olympics. In fact, there had been 4 prior to him, and it's been 2 decades since the last one. But Michael Christian Martinez shares the stage with all of our athletes and with all of our Olympians. Kaya let's let him bask in glory. While we thank some of the personalities here on stage, maraming salamat po kay Mayor Calixto. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. And of course, Mr. Tejero and Mr. Tan, and of course, the rest of our personalities on stage. Thank you for being here. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to open the floor. Our friends from the media, from the press, thank you so much for being here. But I'm sure you guys have a lot of questions for our guests and of course, our guests of honor this evening.
Yes, and then there's a mic over there. If you have questions, just go there. Tapos sasagutin po nila lahat ng mga katanungan nyo. I'm sure marami pong very, very excited magtanong kay Michael.
Ready? Good evening, my name is Nick Jota from Reliability. I have 2 questions, one for Tyson Group and one for Michael Martinez. First, I would like to know the extent of the SM Group's financial assistance to Michael Martinez. Would Michael be meeting the support of the government in his preparation for the next Winter Games? And the other question is for Michael. Since skating is basically a 24/7 sport, do you enjoy doing something else? Or do you like going to the cinema, playing video games, or what do you do? What do you do in your free time?
Alright, let's go to the second question first from Michael Martinez. He's asking kung ano pa yung mga nagugustuhan mong ginagawa when you're free, when you have your free time. What else do you do? So you heard it from Michael. But going to the first question, let's address that question to either Mr. C or Mr. Vigilias. Asking kung ano pa daw, what kind of support, to what extent is SM support to Michael's career?
Actually, we have been quietly supporting them. We took care of some of the expenses. May not be enough, but at least we were very happy with what has happened to them. And I have assured them that we will support them more this time, just to make sure that they really bring in pride for the country.
Mr. Vigilias, would you like to add?
Of course, the Philippine Skating Union exists because of the support of SM. And we are really very happy that they're supporting us in all our needs, in the development of our athletes, in organizing championships, and in hosting international competitions. They are very generous, and of course, we have just to be reasonable to be able to get the support that we need.
Thank you so much, Mr. Vigilias. You know, Divine, I just wanted to point out that although our good president, Mr. Vigilias, heads the Philippine Skating Union, Mr. Hansi had his hand all over the beginnings, the start of the Philippine Skating Union. So you can just imagine the kind of support that they'll be giving to this wonderful sport. Thank you for confirming that, Mr. Steve Ontiveros. Next question, yes, sir.
Yeah, Don Alves of Malaya. So Vigilias.
Now, lost in the accomplishment of Michael Martinez is the fact that he has already qualified for the Pyongyang Winter Olympic Games in 2018. So, the fact that he has already qualified means another 4-year Olympic build-up to the Pyongyang Winter Olympic Games in South Korea. That's going to be a very, very expensive preparation. So is SM and perhaps the help of the Philippine government through the Philippine Sports Commission willing to fund that 4-year Olympic build-up all the way?
Well, all I can say right now is SM is fully prepared to support them. We will be checking on all the other details, but definitely the support will be there.
Yes, sir. Mr. Rodriguez.
Of course, Michael Martinez is almost assured of participating in the next Olympics. But the door is always open. We have our national championships. We have athletes who can qualify. If whoever performs best will be the one to be sent to the next Olympics. That is the position of the Philippine skating union.
Okay.
So he has to sustain, he has to maintain his position as the best Filipino figure skater until the next Olympics.
No, but based on actual the Olympic guidelines, Winter Olympic guidelines, nag-qualify na siya Pocholo eh. 19th qualifies him automatically.
Oo nga, pero hindi naman ibig sabihin na siya lang ang makakwalify.
Yes, yes.
Hindi naman ibig sabihin, pwede pa tayo magpadala.
Magdadagdagan.
Mas
Ginag.
marami pa.
Mas marami. Pero, tanong kay Michael, handa ka ba for another 4 years of intensive Olympic preparations?
Siguro, handa ako kasi sigurado yung experience na nakuha ko sa this Olympics, sigurado the next Olympics handang-handa ako. Marami akong nakuhang na kailangan kong gawin and kung ano yung improve ko sa skating skills ko.
Thank you. Next question, please.
Yes, my first question is for Michael. Michael, sa mga moves with sa ice skating, which one would best describe your personality? And then my second question would be for Mommy. How important is it yung support po na binibigay po ng family apart from financial and the other people support kay Michael? And what is your advice kay Michael, especially right now na maraming recognition, maraming honor, to keep him grounded? Thank you.
The question for Michael first, kung alin doon sa mga jumps na ginawa mo ang nagre-reflect sa character or personalidad mo?
Yung triple axel kasi yung strength and determination and yung kung paano mo pinocus yung lahat ng strength mo sa isang jump and do one of the hardest jump and only few skaters can do.
Ayun. So in other words, dun siya sa palaban ng jump. Oo.
Pinakamahirap na job.
Ngayon naman, punta tayo sa kanyang mommy. Di ba napaka-importante ng mommy? The question to you, mom, was how important was your support to Michael? At ano pa yung mabibigay mo sa kanyang advice ngayon na madaming mga recognition ang bumubuhos para kay Michael to keep him grounded?
Good evening, everyone. Aside from yung financial support, ang kailangan ng bata is yung emotional and moral support, which is very important. As you've said earlier, marami siyang injuries, pero dahil sa suporta namin, he continued skating, which is the sport that he loved.
Thank you. We open the floor for more.
MVD Candy. So did being the only representative from our country add more pressure to you in the Olympics? And how do you think the figure skaters from our country can further improve? How do you think you can help us?
Pwede ko magturo sa inyo about the basics about how to do the jumps, how to do the triple jumps, the technique and basic stuff.
And how does it feel becoming popular from just being like the typical figure skater like the rest of us to suddenly becoming a worldwide figure skater and reaching the Olympics?
How does it feel na dati isa ka lang sa mga figure skater katulad nilang lahat at ngayon recognized ka na around the world, particularly in the figure skating circles globally?
I'm very happy and proud to be in the to compete in the Olympics and representing our country and making history for the Philippines.
Thank you. A couple of more questions, yes, sir.
Next question, sir.
Jonathan Perez of the Business Mirror. What kind of build-up or training yung gagawin mo in the next 4 years? Because yung nanalo ng gold, si Hani of Japan, he relocated to Canada. Are there also plans yung mag-training kayo sa Canada?
If you have any plans of training abroad, I know that you're leaving soon already dahil nga yung nangyari kay Hanyu, have him train abroad and under other countries' top Olympians and top skaters?
Hindi pa rin ako kay Ilya Kulik, yung Russian coach ko sa US. Because kasi siya yung nagturo sa akin from the start kung paano yung consistent lahat ng triple jumps ko. So I will still continue with Ilya Kulik.
Thank you. Yes.
Yes, Will Fernandez from Spin.ph. My question to Michael is, ano yung reaction ng mga other athletes sa Olympics when they found out you were from the Philippines, a country that has no winter?
Gulat na gulat sila kasi I mean, yung sa iba nga sabi, may ice skating meet kayo sa Philippines? So ako, yes, of course. And actually yung ibang, lalo na yung top skaters and lalo na yung Canadian champion, world champion, congratulate ako na nakapasok ako sa Olympics. So, yun talaga.
Thank you.
So Michael Chan congratulated you. Also, di ba yun ang idol mo? Isa sa mga ini-idol mo? E di natunaw ka nung kinamayan ka ni Michael Chan, kinongratulate ka.
Mga ako at grabe yung feeling kasi hindi ko na-expect na i-congratulate niya ako. So, grabe.
Galing.
Okay, yes sir?
I'm Earl Rosero from GMA News Online. Question again for Michael. Michael, before you arrived, they kept showing the video of your performance in Sochi. Can you walk us through a bit what was going on through your mind as you were executing your free program? Because your mother says emotion counts a lot. And we'd like to know how did it feel when you fell, and what went through your mind that at that moment, and when you missed those posts. That question first.
Yung una, yung nagpo-program na ako, and then when I'm performing from the start, isip ko, I'm doing this for God, I'm doing this for my family, doing this for my mother, doing this for the country. Pero nung sumablay ako ng one jump and then I fell, sabi ko, no, this can't be. I have to push harder. So that's why nga nanan ko yung second hardest jump is the triple axel in the second half of the program.
You mentioned the difficulty of your jumps. Comparing your jumps to the jumps of the higher ranked athletes there, you did not execute quadruples. How will the quadruples factor into your training program over the next 4 years? Have you and your coach discussed what points to stress and what weaknesses to address?
Nag-start na kami mag-training ng quadruple jumps, yung quadruple toe and quadruple sal. We are still working on it. May konting cheated pa, but it's getting there.
Thank you so much. May we have another person ask questions? Thank you, sir. We're going to open the floor for 3 more questions.
Good afternoon. My name is Lito Heto from Balita. To Mr. Hans Cesar, the Philippine government was dragging the criticism for alleged lack of support to Michael. Could you explain to us, sir, that your Philippine Skating Union did not miss in your support to Michael?
The Philippine Skating Union is getting enough support from SM that we opted not to get any from the government so that mati-distribute na sa ating sports yung budget na mas maraming atleta ang maginawa sa pera ng gobyerno. Ngayon, pero itong punta namin sa Olympics, Philippines, palagay ko, Philippine Sports Commission yung nagsusupport nito. Dahil itong project na ito ay project ng Philippine Olympic Committee. Ang Philippine Olympic Committee halos solely relies on the funding of government. So I'm sure kukuha sila dyan at yan ang babayad na ginasta namin papunta sa Olympics. Yung coach ni Michael, sinuportahan niya naman $7,200 for his coaching Michael during the Olympics. Yun ang bayad sa coach. So binayaran na Philippine Skating Union, binayaran ni Chairman Richie Garcia yung pera. So yung mga ganun, participation na ganyan, although nag-request kami, tinatanong sa amin ng Philippine Committee, ano ba ang mga gastos, ano ba ang mga kailangan na ganyan. So, i-report namin ito mga requirements na ganyan. So, sila na magsosourcing. Kasi responsibility nila ang magpadala ng athletes sa officials sa athletes.
Thank you. To Ma'am Teresa. Ma'am, this is not to spoil the celebration, but to set that in the truth straight. Did you really mortgage your house in Parañaque?
Thank you for that question. Of course, we all know that the mom of Michael Christian Martinez has always gone all out for her son. Lahat naman tayo, mga ina, gagawin yan para sa anak natin. Tama? Let's move on to the next question, please. We're down to the last two.
Follow-up question lang, so you mentioned na you're planning to leave again. Saan bansa tsaka kailan?
Alis kami dito ng 27. Pumunta muna ako sa US at mag-train and then punta kami sa Bulgaria. Bulgaria.
For what event, please?
27.
For what event? Why are you going?
Anong event ang pupuntahan mo sa Bulgaria?
Bulgaria.
Junior World Championship.
Junior World. Exactly when is the date? The date?
Kailan yung Junior World Championship sa Bulgaria?
Yes.
13 to 15.
March 13.
March.
Thank you.
Okay, last question, please.
Yes, one last po, ma'am. Salamat po.
Michael, how does it feel finally meeting your idol and competing against them? Like Patrick Chan.
Sa akin, sobrang nakakatuwa. Iba yung feeling ko, I'm dreaming, and I don't know. Yung na-meet ko siya, ang dami ko gusto tanong, ang dami ko parang kung paano yun nagagawa yung high scores. And yeah, so tutuwa kung na-meet ko siya.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, thank you so much for all your questions. We'd also like to thank our guests for their
Mayor! Nawala yung isa si Mayor. Si Mayor! Amo na. Pare, ano, baba ka? Kita ka eh. Kita ka. Hindi ko ang pipicturan. Baba ka ng konti. Pare, kita ka pa. Kita ka pa. Baba ko ah. Baba pa. Sir, closer, closer, sir, closer, closer. Pare, fill the gap, Michael, fill the gap. Pare, pa isa ka. Sir, baba ng konti. Yes. Yeah. Sir. One more, sir. Closer, Michael, closer. Sir. Sir, please harap, sir. Sir, eyes in front, sir. Here, sir, here. Sir, here. Okay. Sir, eyes in front. Michael.